Soap.
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 Soap can be a noun, a verb or a name. As a noun, soap can mean 1. A substance able to mix with both oil and water, used for cleaning, often in the form of a solid bar or in liquid form, derived from fats or made synthetically. 2. A metallic salt derived from a fatty acid. 3. Flattery or excessively complacent conversation. 4. Money, especially when used as a bribe. 5. A soap opera. 6. A solid masonry unit or brick reduced in depth or height from standard dimensions. As a verb, soap can mean 1. To apply soap to in washing. 2. To cover, lather or in any other form treat with soap, often as a prank. 3. To be discreet about a topic. 4. To flatter, to wheedle. As a name, soap can mean a standard Internet protocol for exchanging structured information in a distributed environment.
So it takes longer for soap to be effective.